Hello everyone. My name is Akhil and I'm here to tell briefly about my mother-in-law, Dr. Rajni Andhare. She's been a patient of migraine for many years now, and we recently consulted Dr. Pravin Thomas here in Narayana, and we have seen tremendous improvement in her condition in headache. I have personally seen how severe it used to be in the mornings for her. It used to be a lot of pain, a lot of discomfort, a lot of dizziness, and it used to affect her regular day-to-day lifestyle. We've been consulting Dr. Pravin Thomas for close to a month now, and I'm so happy to see the significant improvement in her. So, big thanks to Dr. Pravin Thomas.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajni Andhare. I am a gynecologist. I am a patient, and I am a patient of migraine and other kind of headaches since last 60 years, more than 60 years, from the year 1962. And I tried all kind of treatments, but nothing worked for me. Now finally I came to Dr. Pravin Thomas in this Narayana Health Hospital. I came on 7th of this month, March, and after taking treatment, so I'm very happy. My headache has gone, even 95% is relieved. So I'm very happy, and thanks to Dr. Thomas.